How to keep a perfectly organised suitcase and not to forget the essentials for travelling when packing so many different things. Vasco Packing Cubes and Bags. 7 unique bags with the highest number of valuable features that will make your trip incredibly easy. Different size packing cubes with the unique compression zippers help reduce space in the luggage by 60%. Your shoes can travel neatly separated from clothes and other things. Special material absorbs odours. Vasco Cosmetics Bag compactly encloses personal care products for travelling, and it is easy to place the bag even in the smallest bathroom. Electronics Bag is a great solution for the problem of multiple tangled cables, chargers and other accessories. The cables are neatly stacked, will never get tangled or damaged. With the travel wallet, you won't need to search for your ticket, passport or the boarding pass anymore. Vasco keeps things organised and make your travel convenient. Helps quickly find everything you need in your luggage. You will unpack luggage 4 times faster than usual, saving 60% of the space. Waterproof material will keep your things safe from liquids, while special design will keep your belongings in a perfect condition. Vasco. Convenient travel.